Okay, here's a couple of pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres, materials wetted, white, which you can see is the reflection of the lights. Should be able to cut a nice stone out of that. This corner here's missing colour, so you're looking at something like that. Still a big stone. I think I measured it about 30mm long. Smaller piece. And the colour goes all the way around. Anyway, I think that you should have fun cutting those and you should end up with a couple of nice stones at least. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.